Hey, I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit like. And where I am is on my channel, JD Watch Service. So today I'm going to show you a really neat trick that I just discovered where you can actually navigate a YouTube video using a ribbon on the bottom. So let me just open one of my videos here and I'm going to mute it so I can talk through this. So that's my channel. That's my intro for one of my videos here. And let me just expand that. So here's the tip. If you look at this YouTube video, you've got the ability to navigate back and forth. There's a little lower left-hand side, little red button that you can touch with your finger, and that'll allow you to navigate forward. And this is one of my videos. So if there are chapters in the video, you'll see where the chapter is, as this will be indicated in text on the bottom of the video. But if you don't have chapters in the video and you want to go to various sections, you can do it visually. All you do is take the little red button and you move it where you want to go. Just slide your finger up, and guess what? A ribbon shows up on the bottom of the video, and that ribbon allows you to visually navigate. I don't know if you know that. I just discovered this feature. I think it's really cool. So I can figure out where the chapters are visually. I can see it flipping from one chapter to another where the video is actually changing. So there you go. There's a change right there, and you can see that on the ribbon. You just have to tap on the video again, and that ribbon will go away. The ribbon, it's very weak now. I should and move the ribbon on the bottom, make it appear, just slide up again. There's the ribbon again. So this is a really cool little tip. I don't know if you know that. I didn't know it. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. This is just a bonus tip that you're getting. It's early in the morning. Got to get back to work. Thanks for subscribing. Talk to you later.